Now in this video we will tell about the stroke volume. What is stroke volume? Stroke volume is the ejection fraction, and also we will tell about the ejection fraction and cardiac output. So stroke volume is actually end diastolic minus end systolic. After when the diastolic become end, you have to minus the for example, this is end diastole when all blood come to the ventricle. Okay, now after when it contract the remaining blood is present, that is called end-systolic volume. So if you minus this volume from this is called stroke volume. That how much volume is ejected, that is actually 70 milli. 120 minus 50, it is 70 milli, but it is depend. Okay, various for. So first of all, now ejection. What is ejection fraction? Ejection fraction is actually the stroke volume divided by end diastolic volume. This is end diastolic volume, that is 120, and 70 is the stroke volume. So stroke volume divided by end diastolic volume, it give you a percentage, and that percentage is called ejection fraction. And ejection fraction is actually from 50 to 65. That is normal, but half blood volume is left in the ventricle, get pumped out during the each heartbeat. But if the ejection fraction is so much high, that maybe create a problem. Okay, heart with low contractility, there must the ejection fraction will be less than 50. Okay, now cardiac output. Cardiac output is equal to stroke volume multiplied by heart rate. 70 multiplied 70 is equal to 4.9. Okay, now follow through the arteries. For example, organ and tissue need oxygen nutrient demand. For example, kidney kidney have a lot of blood but less to the tissue. Actually, kidney is the uh, largest organ that receive the large amount of blood is actually the liver. Kidney also receive lot of blood, but to the tissues. For example, first organ that receive lot of blood is called is liver, and the second is the kidney. But kidney, for example, this is 1 gram of tissue and 1 gram tissue of the liver. 1 gram tissue in the liver and 1 gram tissue in the kidney. So I ask from you, which tissue receive more blood, 1 gram of liver or 1 gram of kidney? So the answer is not the liver. Liver overall blood is of the liver is great, but the tissue to the tissue is the kidney have large blood to the tissue. For example, 1 gram of tissue have largest blood, that is called largest tissue perfusion. Okay, tissue have the kidney have largest tissue perfusion. Now what is tissue perfusion? Actually total volume of blood going to 1 gram of tissue. Okay, and what is blood flow? Blood flow is actually total volume giving through over all time. Some sometime, for example, blood flow, when the heart contract and they move the blood to the liver, so the blood flow out to the liver is more. Okay, so this is all about the stroke volume.